Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Mobirise, which is a website builder that is designed for offline use, allowing you to create websites without coding. So if you are considering it for your website, you can just check out the link in the description for more details. Now, Mobirise, as I said earlier, is a drag and drop website builder that works offline, meaning that you don't need an internet connection to actually build your website. It is aimed at the small businesses, freelancers, and non-tech users who want a simple way to create the websites without coding. Now, once your website is ready, you can then publish it on any of the hosting services of your choice. So here you need to come on mobirise.com, and from here you can just download the setup for Windows and Mac. So here if I talk about its pros, so as I said earlier, you are going to get the offline usage. You just have to download the setup and you will be able to start using it without the internet connection. Here if you go to the Go Premium section, you will just take a look at the purchase plans. So there is no free plan available as of right now, you can see, but it is one time purchase, so there is no monthly recurring subscription. You just have to pay one time payment for the themes and the extensions. And it is also a good website builder that is absolutely good for the beginners. The drag and drop editors make it very easy to use for the non-coders as well. Now if I talk about the cons, so as I said earlier, there is no free feature. So the free version has the basic blocks, but for the advanced themes and extension, you definitely require the paid plan. And there is no built-in hosting, unlike other platforms like Wix or Squarespace. You will need to find and pay for your own hosting. That is the additional cost for your website. So if you want a one-time payment website builder, and if you want to prefer working offline, Mobirise is a solid choice. It is great for the small businesses, for freelancers who want full control over their hosting and design. So if you want to try it out, I will provide the discount link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.